All my dear students, now I am talking about the general preparation of aromatic benzoic acid, that is aromatic acid. Why? Because it has benzene ring. So what we see, I will first one is by oxidation of alkyl benzenes. They are very important. So we take R group, any R group you can take over here, that is toluene. Common name is toluene. Yes, I take what we see, methyl benzene. When oxidized with a alkaline solution of what we see, potassium permanganate, process is hydrolysis. What you get? Benzoic acid. Yes. Sometimes ask you how can you convert toluene to what we see, benzoic acid. So same answer. Yes. Next one is by oxidation of first degree alcohol or aldehyde. Yeah. So you know that is benzene ring, CH2OH. If CH2OH, then it is a primary alcohol. Always it is aromatic alcohol, not aliphatic, because what we see, that is the benzene ring. So when that is oxidized, same what we see, alkaline solution of potassium, process is what we see, hydrolysis. Yes, hydrolysis means breakdown due to water is known as hydrolysis. Generally takes place in presence of sometimes H plus, sometimes what we see, OH minus, but in this case what we use, alkali, OH minus. So at first what we get, benzaldehyde, intermediate product. Now this intermediate product is further oxidized with same reagent. So what we have, benzoic acid. Yes. Next one is by hydrolysis of phenyl cyanide, that is also known as benzonitrile. Yes. So cyanide, you know that benzene ring, that is C triple bond N. So what is the name of this compound? Phenyl cyanide, that is also known as benzoquinone. Yeah. So when that is hydrolyzed, yes, in presence of H plus mineral acids, what we have? At first we get benzamide, intermediate product, CONH2, benzamide. Now this benzamide, when further hydrolyzed in presence of mineral acids, process is hydrolysis. So what we get? Benzoic acid. Sometimes ask you, how can we convert phenyl cyanide to benzoic acid? That is the one. So very simple process. Preparation of what you see, acid. Fourth one is what you see, carbonylation of what you see, Grignard's reagent. What do you mean by carbonylation? Means what you see, addition of what you see, CO group. So what you see, when this phenyl magnesium bromide is treated with carbon dioxide at minus 10 degree in presence of ether. Generally in aromatic reaction, generally what you see, organic solvent is used, never what you see, water. Yeah. So what we see there, at first we get a duct product. So what we see, that phenyl has negative, magnesium positive, Br has what we see, negative. So that phenyl group attack over this carbon. So what we have, we get this duct product. Now this compound after hydrolysis, what we get? Acid. And what the name of this compound? Magnesium hydroxide. And what the side product? Magnesium hydroxy bromide. So sometimes ask you write down at least 3 process, write down subterm, what you see, ask you 2 process, sometimes ask you 4 process. So I think you can write the 4 general preparation of what you see, benzoic acid. Now the important chemical properties of benzoic acid, and that is what you see, electrophilic, generally asked in examination. So that is benzoic acid. So first one, when that is treated with conc nitric acid, concentrated, that is the nitrating mixture, you can say. So process is nitration, and generally nitro group, sulfonic acid, and what you see, bromine, what's attracted towards the meta position. Why? Because meta position has what you see, more electron density with respect to ortho and para position. Yeah. So what we get in 3 position nitro group. So what the name of this compound? That is the first, that is what is 3. So what we have, 3 nitrobenzoic acid. Second one is sulfonation, when treated with conc sulfuric acid. So what we get, this sulfuric acid group, what is migrated towards meta position, that is known as meta position. That is known as meta position. Yes. So what we say, so what do you say? Sulfonation reaction. Next one is halogenation. You may use chlorine, you can use what is bromine. Generally, to bromine and what is chlorination is done. So I have already told you in Friedel-Crafts reaction, if you use bromine, then what we have to use? Ferric tribromide. If what we use chlorine, then what we have to use? Ferric trichloride or aluminum chloride lead acid you can use. So in 3 position, what we have? Bromo. So what the name of this compound? 3-bromo-benzoic acid. So I think, so always keep in mind, so that when we talk about the electrophilic substitution reaction, generally takes place in meta position, or we can say 3 positions. Always keep in mind. Always we have to do the practice for getting what is in more mark in the examination. So thank you for watching this video.